Today we are looking at n-butylacetamide, which is an amide derived from acetic acid and butylamine. The molecular formula is C6H13NO. The molecular weight is 115.17. It has 1 degree of unsaturation, which corresponds to the presence of carbonyl group, the C double bond O, in the amide functional group, which is the NH-NO bond. It has 1 pi bond, which is located in the carbonyl group right here. It has 20 sigma bonds for the rest of the bonds. The only functional group which is seen is a secondary amide, which is between the carbonyl group here and the nitrogen atom. It has 6 unique carbons, 6 unique hydrogen sets, and it has 5 sp3 hybridized atoms, which are 4 carbons from the butyl chain and 1 nitrogen in the amide group. It has 1 sp2 hybridized atom, which is the carbonyl group in the amide group, the carbonyl atom in the amide group, and it has 0 sp hybridized atoms. So we are going to build this molecule. So to start, we have the blue is going to be the nitrogen atoms, the red is going to be the oxygen, the black is the carbon, and the white is the hydrogen. So here we have our 6 carbon atoms, 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen, and 13 hydrogens. So we'll start with this carbon, which is going to have 3 hydrogens attached to this one, then 2 hydrogens attached to the next carbon, another carbon attached to this carbon, which will have 2 hydrogens attached, another carbon attached, which will have also 2 hydrogens, and then next up we have our nitrogen, which is attached to this carbon. This nitrogen then has 1 hydrogen attached to it. It will then be attached to another carbon. This carbon is where the double bond with the oxygen will be placed. And then attached to this carbon here is our last carbon, which has the remaining 3 hydrogen atoms to complete this molecule. So here we have n-butylacetamide, and here is our nitrogen, here is our double bonded oxygen, as well as our carbons that have our 13 attached hydrogens.